Hi y'all. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out, first of all, it is 12:41 in the morning and we're getting snacks and probably gonna put something on TV. We've been working all day long and we were thinking, it's like, should we just do like different vlog style posts like throughout the day? Like, hey, it's Annabelle. Hey, it's MrAmbitious. Hi, it's both of us. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. They caught me in my jammies cooking. I got family sleeping in the other room. So, yeah, you get to help me make a midnight snack. So, MrAmbitious is going to have chicken tacos, and I am going to have some toast with jelly because I have a crazy sweet tooth right now. But let me know what you guys think about that vlog idea. Yes, no? We're thinking like just randomly throughout the day. Maybe we're working out, maybe we're working, maybe I'm cleaning, maybe he's working, he's posting a video right now for Ambitious Adventures. But that way we can get multiple videos out throughout the whole entire day and you know, you get a sneak peek of my life. So while we're chit chatting, let's get to cooking. I warmed it up already. Okay, it is midnight. Give me a break, okay? This is leftovers. We had rice in it. His mama cooked it. It was so good. But we don't have no more rice. Here we go. Voila. We got chicken. Oh, there was like Mexican rice down at the bottom and it was so delicious, but we ate it all. So he's just going, oh, that's hot. He's just going to have this. Oh, I think I'll do too much chicken again. That's okay. And I have a helper right here. I don't think she's trying to help. She's trying to steal our food. He don't like corn in his. I loved corn in mine. He does like cheese, y'all. He is very cheesy. Bam. Bam. Okay. And then once we get this done, we have to figure out if we're gonna watch something on TV down here or up in our room. Silly me, I'm forgetting stuff. Okay, so we need lettuce. 2 seconds, Cookie. Cookie's crying. Cookie always needs to go potty whenever mommy is doing something. And Monster always needs to go potty whenever mommy is not doing something. Okay. A pinch more cheese. It's missing rice and pickle, but I bet you it's still slapped. Told you, he likes this cheese, y'all. 2 seconds, Mama. I promise you're next. Thank you. Cookie. Do something. Okay, sorry y'all. We had to get Suchi in there. She coming to yell at me. What's wrong? Pushing it. Pushing it, Annabelle. I'm so hungry. See, we was doing so good on our diet and everything. And then family came. And his mama cooked way too good to stick to a no raggedy diet, okay, y'all? It's not my fault, I swear. Baby? Baby? Okay, come on, we have to let Cookie out. Monster, you can go potty too. Come on, let's go bathroom time outside. Come on. Wiggle butts. Come here. You too, Mama. Monster. Come here. I don't want to go potty. Come here. Good girl. Okay, let's go bathroom outside. Show them how you guys are good girls. Go on. You too. She said, I don't want to go, Mama. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Hustle, hustle. So, it's too hot in Vegas. Get in there. You know we found the black widow in our backyard one time? Heck no, my babies ain't going out there. So, that's where they go potty now. And, yeah. See? Would you like to watch something downstairs or upstairs? Would you like to watch something downstairs or upstairs? That's what I'm thinking. Bedroom? Look at that hard-working hunk of chocolate over there. Upstairs, that's what I was thinking. Monster's done. Yes, you a good girl, Mama. Yes, you a good girl, Mama. Good girl. You is a good girl. We need to check on our toast. Sexy beast right there. Yeah. Okay, let's check our toast. Are you helping Mommy cook? Okay, come on. Come on, you can help. Let's see if oh, my toast is turning black. And okay, let's check on Cookie real quick, y'all. And then we finish with the food. What you doing here? Good girl. Turn off these lights. Okay, come on, y'all. And oh, my toast again. It's okay. Okay. So now we're adding sour cream. And I need a plate. Bam! Oh, his plate is hot. It's so good. I get so much. Hi, sir.
She's trying to make me fat, so when I go over to the Philippines or I'm about to say Cuba or to Vietnam, none of the girls want me. But guess what, boo boo? Guess what, baby? They gonna want this sexiness regardless.
I know, so will I.
I'm getting trouble out here, dog.
Y'all, he said he was gonna replace me in the last video. Make sure you guys go find it, timestamp it, and tell him he wrong. If y'all don't think karma is a real thing,
Why is this place so hot?
Cause I put it in the oven.
Y'all see that? This is documented.
If you can't stand the heat,
I'm
get out
taking
the
this.
kitchen.
I'm taking this to my lawyer.
And then you're gonna touch it again.
It looks so good.
He touched it again, y'all.
My little taco. Your taco.
How was it?
Way hotter than taco.
Really?
Yeah.
How? I didn't even hear it on the chicken. You a hater. That's all it is. Oh, I'm telling your mama. I'm telling on him.
Listen, y'all. We don't never drink pasta. I want some. I need anything sweet.
I know. I want juice or something so bad. I'm telling your mama. He give his mama such a hard time for drinking pop. Drinking all that pop. Gotta be healthy. Now it's 12:53 a.m. and he's eating chicken tacos and drinking Pepsi. Totally stealing some of his pop. Don't worry,
So, what do y'all think? Do y'all think we should start making vlog videos like this?
I think we should. I think it'll be better because we can post more and it's He's saying turn down my Annabelle voice. My bad, y'all. I don't know how to be quiet.
So yeah, drop a comment. Let us know if y'all gonna mess with this type of vibe. Cause I don't know which direction we should go.
Me either.
I don't know, bro. We got businesses. We do the fun page stuff. We have a fun, interesting life.
A very fun, interesting life.
We don't know what we should post, so let's post everything.
I like the sounds.
And definitely, if we taking them out the country with us,
We should. I just call it my cheese milk. He gonna be done eating before my food done. My bad. Oh, so, what do you guys think? What kind of vlogs would be fun? Do you like midnight snack sessions while we sell weight loss products?
yeah, we human, okay?
It's actually slopping.
I think it'd be dope. You know, Diddy. Those whites, correct. I mean,
Wow.
some,
Baby oil.
I think it'd be dope if we bring y'all in on our life and kind of let y'all know what we got going on as far as business stuff, our game plan, our new strategies, everything. You know, why not?
Everybody on YouTube know who he is.
Because everybody know, everybody love Miss Annabelle.
And MrAmbitious. MrAmbitious created Annabelle, so
No, they think you existed before me.
far from that. Far from that. Very young.
She was from a small little town. They didn't know how to take sexy pictures.
I never sent him a picture like that. I don't know if we can talk about him. I never sent him a picture like that, or anybody a picture like that before. He said, "Send me a picture." I said, "What is this?"
But late next snack, or Mrs. Ambitious, and if there's any other queens out there that want to come be, you know, Mrs. Ambitious number 2, but you're still gonna be number 1, and y'all both gonna be number 1. Slide in that DM
You killing it. Talk
on
that talk.
Instagram.
Yeah,
Yeah.
talk that talk.
But all right, y'all, we about to get ready to head upstairs. We might take y'all up there for a second with us. We'll be back to y'all checking out.
Deuces. See you in a minute. Me in the bedroom.
Put this big old burrito. Get in the bed. Get in the bed.
Good girls. Good girls.
Look, she made them a doggy poster. The reason why the lighter is there is because I was changing the vents. Not the vents, but the filters.
The air filters.
Yeah.
And then it wants to really loves you.
I'll make this light. Man down.
Yeah. You know how you're a good housewife?
Look at that beautiful view.
You know how you're a good housewife?
Huh?
There's a light switch right here that turns off the same light, but he never has to hit it.
Look at the view, y'all. All of this. About to say bye-bye to it.
Mm-hmm.
It's time to get up out of America. Busted. Caught you. It's right here. Look, y'all think she all cute and stuff. Y'all see her eat that goddamn that piece of bread? All right, y'all about to throw a movie on.
Bye.
Call it a night. Have a good one. It's all in the hips.
Yeah.